Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send photos on Viber. Maybe you want to share your favorite photos with your contacts. So today I'm going to show you how to send photos on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat for which you want to send photos. For example, I want to open this conversation, so simply tap on it. In this chat page, tap on this attachment icon below. Here, you can browse your device storage to select the file that you want to send. Since you wanted to send photos, go to the images section, and here, select the photo that you want to send. Once you have selected the photo, Viber will process it, and after that, the photo will now be delivered to your contact, and they will now be able to view and download it in their chat. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send photos on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send photos on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.